This tech space again. As you know, there is a new feature in WhatsApp, which is WhatsApp stickers. You are going to the WhatsApp, and if you are sending a message to any person, you can see there are stickers available. So they updated the different types of stickers. They even transferred the emojis into different sections. So a happy section, love section, sad, and you know wow section, exclamatory, amazing sections. So these are all the default emojis which you can get, guys. But there is a way to convert any image in your phone to a WhatsApp sticker. That is very cool. As you can see over here, these are the default pictures in my phone. Now they are converted to what? They are converted to stickers, guys. So how can you do it? First of all, what you want to do is you need to go to Google Play Store and search for this application, personal stickers for WhatsApp. This is a new application because the WhatsApp stickers function is new. Make sure that you updated it to the latest version. Now you have to open it and it will show you some six stickers. Now if I want to the minimum requirement for adding this is 3 photos at least. If there is 2 photos, it won't work, so 3 photos or more should be needed. So 3 stickers are here. If I'm clicking add, it will be opening in the WhatsApp, and it will ask, would you like to add this lock screen to WhatsApp? Then if you click add, lock screen has been added to WhatsApp. So if I'm going to WhatsApp back again, and you can see over here that image has been successfully added to added as a sticker. So I will send it to some of my sister over here. Wait a sec. Okay, as you can see, now these are some beautiful stickers which I created from my phone, just added simply from my phone. So guys, that's it, how to add stickers, convert any images into stickers, guys. That's it guys. If you find this video useful, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. I will catch you guys in the next video.